Tenat Arts and Culture jong ke Sorkar Jilla Niksngi kala penlong ya ke Rasong National Tribal Music Festival Arjar Arpsan ha Sosotam Auditorium. Haba keren hagani kesngi ku mukongsan Menteri Bedaipat ya ke Tenat Arts and Culture uba po lengdo walaupun pawe ke jing snokman ba yodon mentalang ha kani ke National Tribal Music Festival kabala penlong ha nong ba Shillong. Ulang ba usngau sarong ban yoi baki don hadu khat arteli ki jilla ki balawan bani simbenta ban rakhe ya kani ka tribal music ha ka jilla shu abakaren hakani kisngi ulaong baka tribal music kadai kaput katem ka ba tenrai ka ba dei nadu ki por ke ba munshwa but what hakini ki por ke bala dep kam samdan kata ka jing itu yaki henrei hakani ka festival ka ba menta yoi baki don hadu khat arteli ki jilla bat kani kapau bangi don kam ban pynkhlaiñ chu ban wanra ya ka jinga teli bat kumjuru ban ya peni ya kata ka culture ka ba mangingi don sha ki wei bat
Rasong 2025 Festival inaugurated. Thank you,
from Kerala, belongs to Wayanad district, and we are belongs to Paniya community cultural program here, dance and also music, trumpet and all things. Yeah.
How many years?
We are in 18 members. Now we are in 5 girls and 13 boys. Yeah.
And how do you feel being in our state, Meghalaya?
Oh, it's a very beautiful state, yeah, and very nature also, very good climate. We are also from Wayanad. This, this type of climate, yeah.
Yeah, Uti.
Uta near Uti, yeah.
And so, can you tell us a bit of your group? What kind of performances are you would be performing today?
Actually, Paniya tribe is Kerala's biggest tribal group, and it's a traditional dance and music. Actually, the Kambalanati and Vatakali is a traditional dance and music. They have Kambalanati means it's a type of agricultural festival. During the agricultural festival, they are music with music and songs. They are in the paddy field. They are using and cultivation. In that time, they are using this type, and also their customs, many customs is there by birth and death. In between the vertically, ladies are in the round shape, and also men also in the round. They are using tudi. Tudi is our traditional musical instrument, tudi, called tudi, and the three men are beating tudi, and in the occasion, ladies are around in the round. They are dancing with the music, tudi instrument. Yeah.
Is this your first time performing outside the state? Or?
No. We are earlier in Jharkhand two times, and Meghalaya we are first time. Yeah.
So tomorrow also you'll be
Performance. Yeah. Tomorrow also.
From far to be part of this 2-day National Tribal Music Festival 2025 named Rasong. For me, and I believe as Mr. Lapisan has just shared his experiences traveling to Shillong, he finds the drive very wonderful, but I can also assure you that the more you travel into the interiors of India, the more you will discover why these hills are alive with the sound of music. When you first see the opening shot of the movie, The Sound of Music, the hills of Switzerland and of Austria bear a striking resemblance to the natural beauty of Meghalaya. So welcome to Meghalaya, the home of nature, culture, cuisines, customs, and crafts. For me, the word Rasong reminds me of a book, collection of essays on bteng like Rasong by Pynkhlaiñ, a volume that speaks of the wealth of our culture, of our practices, and of the communities that reside and are the proud inheritors of these hills. Today, as we celebrate tribal music, let me remind each one of you that to a tribal, music is intrinsic. Music is in our DNA. And therefore, we celebrate it day in and day out. There is a saying that music washes from the soul the dust of everyday living. I've just come from a function where we also celebrated the International Day Against Drug Trafficking and Addiction. A very serious topic. As proud inheritors of these hills, we will continue to make music. We have made rapid strides. Today, just last year, we have adopted the state anthem, one of the few states in the country to have its own anthem. I urge for all musicians to keep in mind, bear in mind, that music is not just a hobby, a pastime, or a profession. It should be a passion. It should transform you into the human being you are supposed to be. And I wish the today festival the very best. I also would like to urge upon visitors who have come from other parts of the region and the country to enjoy the natural beauty of Meghalaya, to see for yourself how this ancient land has so much to offer, and I'm sure that if you visit one very close tourist destination like pynkhlaiñ, I'm sure that will inspire you to write a song or two of your own. Thank you. But arriving here to the sound of the drums and the flute and the other musical instruments has a healing touch. Music is both food for the soul and therapy for the mind. I'm sure that this year the festival will be celebrated with enthusiasm. As the state government, we are proud that in the Department of Arts and Culture, which was once considered a minor department, today, just yesterday, we had an Honorable Chief Minister in our presence inaugurate the state-of-the-art museum, which is of a global standard. Just the day after that, we have today the celebration of tribal music. Our state, many of the other states in the Northeast are fairly young. Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland, and the rest of the Northeastern states are just 50 plus. But let us not forget that we have an ancient civilization. Meghalaya is 53 years old as a state. But the geological age of the earth is called the Meghalayan age, which is 4,200 years.
A major musical event that celebrates tribal music, and we're proud of the fact that as many as 12 states have come together to celebrate tribal music. If you recall, tribal music has always been ancient, has not got a proper recognition. This is something we'd like to correct, and by having 12 states coming together in this fashion, there is also the huge possibility of synergy, bringing together diverse elements from the various states and fusing them into one common whole.
So this is an initiative getting together everything and highlighting what is rooted deep down inside. So will this continue, sir?
Yes, yes. We will not only continue, but we will expand our horizons to ensure that even tribes which have not been represented so far will find representation in future events.
One more quick one, sir. This is an update from the government side about yesterday. You said you
Thank you.